Welcome to the AURIN Beta 4 Quick Start Guide. For this example, we will create a coloured map of the Perth metropolitan region showing the incidence of type 2 diabetes. Part 1. Logging in. When first visiting portal.aurin.org.au, you will be taken to the Australian Access Federation login screen. The drop-down list contains every university in Australia, some government organisations, and at the end, the AAF Virtual Home. Select this if you are not a member of any of the above groups and have received login credentials from AURIN. This is the AURIN Startup screen. On the right, you'll see 4 panels: Select Your Area, Select Your Data, Analyse Your Data, and Visualize Your Data panels. Part 2. Select Your Geography. We will focus on Perth with the Select Your Area dialog. Clicking on the eye brings up the Area Selection dialog box. First, we select the drop-down menu to select States and choose Western Australia. Then we will select Statistical Division, so we can focus on the Perth metropolitan region. You can now close the Area Selection dialog box. You should now see Perth SD505 in the Select Your Area panel. Part 3. Select Your Data. Bring up the Dataset browser from the Select Your Data panel. Now the window is being populated with metadata from databases across Australia, particular to our selected geography. We want to find information about diabetes, so we enter this as a keyword here and press Search. As we hover above these data sources, a pop-up window displays a description of the contents. These datasets have been returned. We want to select SLA Chronic Disease Synthetic Prediction 2007. Clicking on a dataset populates the next panel with its attributes. Tick the check boxes for Statistical Area Name and Type 2 Diabetes Synthetic Prediction, rate per 100, and choose Add Dataset. You will see an entry appear in your data cart. Clicking on the eye opens the attribute table, and at this point sends the request to retrieve the remote data from the data custodian. You can click on the column header to sort from highest to lowest. Part 4. Visualize your data. To make a map of this data, click on the Maps, Charts and Graphs button to open the Visualizations panel. Choose Map Visualizations and Choropleth. Here we can give our map a descriptive name. Then select our dataset, the attribute we want to map, the classifier and the number of classes and colour palette, and also opacity settings. Click Add Visualizations and the item appears in the panel. Click on the eye to turn your map on. If you open your attribute table again, you can brush your mouse over the data and map. This is a rapid way to explore complex data and reveal patterns geographically.